Hello, welcome to the update. I'm Susie Thompson. Australia's Naomi Fox has joined her sister in becoming a gold medalist at the Paris Olympics. Fox winning the kayak cross after Jessica took out the K1 and the C1, a canoe rapids trifecta for the Fox family. The housing crisis is affecting thousands of children who are trying to escape violence or suffering neglect. Homelessness Australia found 76,000 kids contacted support agencies last year, but a third remained homeless even after asking for help. Housing and Homelessness Minister Claire O'Neil says the current crisis in housing is feeding into the number of people sleeping rough.
There is no distinction really here between the big problems we're having in the commercial housing market and the experience of people who are experiencing homelessness.
WA gun owners are being encouraged to hand in their firearms ahead of new legislation. A $63 million buyback scheme has seen nearly 20,000 weapons relinquished so far, but the police minister says there could be as many as 70,000 illegal guns still in the community. Victoria's health authorities are confident they have passed the peak of the Legionnaires outbreak. A tower in Laverton North in Melbourne's west is the probable source of the outbreak. The disease has claimed 2 lives and has spread to around 90 others. Childcare centres across Australia are struggling with staffing numbers plunging. A national survey reveals 1/3 of childcare centres in New South Wales are operating below the recommended number of staff. Official figures from the Australian Children's Education and Care Quality Authority indicate the labour crisis is hitting both metro and rural areas. And making news overseas, more than 370 arrests have been made following a week of violence in the UK. The violent riots sparked by a deadly stabbing attack at a children's dance event. The killer wrongly identified as a Muslim immigrant. The riots have been condemned as racist and Islamophobic. Sport and entertainment next. In sport, the Hockeyroos have been beaten by China 3-2 to put an end to their campaign in Paris. Our women's hockey team has now failed to go past the quarterfinals in the last 6 games. Divers Melissa Wu and Ellie Cole have qualified for the women's 10-metre platform final. In entertainment news, Wiggles star Greg Page has revealed he suffered loneliness when he was a member of the musical group in the early 2000s. The Yellow Wiggle says he kept his health conditions to himself out of fear of being judged. And that is the latest from the Nova podcast team. We'll see you later on for another update. I'm Susie Thompson.